Oh, nice and toasty. Obviously, welcome to Speedy Training Ossett. My name's Chris, I work for these guys here. First things first, calibration. These things need calibrating every 12 months by a competent person or a higher organisation, whoever it may be, alright? Anybody can stick a sticky label on it to say it's good. So, 003, 215 is the software I'm running. On the 12th day of the 8th month, 2023 year. Turn it on again. When you get an audible, that is your cue now to look down at the screen. And then you want to look at this. See the signal strength indicator here? Yeah. When that bar maxes out, turn the sensitivity down halfway so it sits in the middle of the screen. So if I come back towards me, it should drop off. If I keep going forward, it peaks and then drops off. So in that big space that we had before, it's actually there. We've identified it's roughly in that line. So you place it on the floor like so. Transit in the rough direction. Don't have to be bang on, it's got to be the general direction. Oh. See how the signal's there? To see if I'm too close or not. See how the signal's still there? I'm too close. As I lift it up, it should get quiet. So if I go 9, 10, look at that. Yeah, get the signal back again, disappears. This is now the correct distance for me to work that way.